Welcome back to Latest Tech News. This time we'll dive into an interesting research document about the dangers of artificial intelligence. The notion of artificial intelligence toppling humanity has been discussed for decades. In 2021, experts presented their judgment on whether we'd be able to govern a high-level computer superintelligence. What is the answer? Find out in this video. In 2021, a team of researchers of artificial intelligence have used reasoning technique that was influenced by Alan Turing's 1936 halting problem. The issue is determining whether a computer algorithm will achieve a conclusion and answer, therefore halting, or merely run indefinitely in search of one. Turing demonstrated that the outcome can be predicted and evaluated for certain programs. However, it's theoretically impossible to find a means to know that for every feasible program that might ever be developed. That takes us back to artificial intelligence, which in a superintelligent state that's theoretically capable or accessing and retaining every possible computer program in its memory at the same time. For example, any program developed to prevent artificial intelligence from eliminating humanity and ruining our civilization may reach a conclusion to halt or not. It's mathematically impossible for us to be certain either way, which implies it's uncontainable. The hitch is that commanding a superintelligence far beyond human comprehension would necessitate analyzing a simulation of that superintelligence. However, it's impossible to develop such a simulation if we're unable to grasp it. The authors of the new research document argues that rules like cause no harm to humanity cannot be imposed, unless we understand the kind of scenarios that an artificial intelligence would generate. We can no longer establish restrictions if a computer system has reached a level beyond the capability of our programmers. In 2021, computer scientist Manuel Cebrián, from the Max Planck Institute for Human Development made the following statement. A superintelligent machine that controls the world sounds like science fiction. But there are already machines that perform certain important tasks independently without programmers fully understanding how they learned it. The question therefore arises, whether this could at some point become uncontrollable and dangerous for humanity. Are you ready to live in the age of HAL 9000? If you're interested in this particular report, find the reference research document in the description. Please like and subscribe to show your encouragement for similar contents.